In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store address to ensure everything is up to date and aligning with your business needs. There are different types of addresses you might want to update depending on your specific requirements. Whether it's your legal or business address used for bills and invoices, your billing address for Shopify's own invoices and payments, your shipping origin or warehouse location address, or your contact or storefront address displayed to customers, we'll cover the main steps for each. First, let's dive into changing the store's legal or business billing address. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings option, which you'll find in the lower left corner of your interface. Click on it, and then proceed by selecting General. In the Store Details section, you should see an entry labeled Address, or possibly Store Address, Business Address. Next to this entry, there will be an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This will allow you to enter your new address. Make sure to include details like the street, city, and country. If necessary, update the business or legal name as well. After you've made all the needed changes, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial as it updates the address that Shopify uses for things like contracts, bills, receipts, and so on. Now, if you need to update the address where your goods ship from, for instance your warehouse or office location, you'll want to follow a slightly different procedure. Back in your Shopify admin, go to Settings again, but this time select Locations. You'll see a list of locations associated with your account. Find the specific location you want to update and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can edit the location's address. Fill in the new address details here and then save your changes. This is an important step because it ensures that shipping rates, labels, and other related information reflect the correct origin location. Updating these addresses as your business evolves is vital to maintaining clear communication with your customers and ensuring smooth operations. Having the right address on file will help prevent any hiccups in shipping or billing and enhance the overall professionalism of your business dealings. So take the time to make sure all addresses are current and accurately reflect your business operations. That wraps up our tutorial on changing your Shopify store address. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.